Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again, and just here with a video on a wearable that was sent to me from a company called Haylou. Thank you for sending this over. It is the Haylou Solar LS0501, and there you see the details. And of course, upon first impressions of the name, you think, is this a solar watch? Is this a solar powered watch? It is not, guys. But what it is for 150 RMB or around 20 US dollars. I think one of the best offers of this type of fitness watch or wearable on the market. Now, I've been using this for a couple of days, and I've been actually very impressed with this Haylou Solar. So as we can see, the way it's promoted, it is a stylish metal body, and that does make a huge difference when you're using this type of product. Unlike the Mi Band 4, which feels just a little bit less premium in the hands, this does feel really nice, and I love the fact that they've opted for this circular look on this watch. I haven't used a circular smartwatch in a long time, probably since the days of the Moto 360. I've been using Apple Watches, as you guys know, for many years, and this is the first time I'm actually so impressed with this circular watch face that it's just refreshing to be able to use a circular watch once again. And let me show you the back of this box so you can get more information. Metal body, like I said, 12 sport modes. This one is big for me, sci-fi sleep management. I don't have any really great sleep trackers on the Apple Watch, so this type of device, like the Mi Band 4, is able to give me really accurate sleep tracking without any additional apps, and it's been really great. You see here all day heart monitoring, and we have a TFT HD touchscreen. It is an LCD display. It is not AMOLED, but this is the big one. Sure, it's not a solar watch, but it does have 30 days of standby. The battery life on this thing has been very impressive. And here you see the box it was shipped in. And here's the charging cable at the bottom. Very basic unboxing, but when this arrived, how it did, which was pretty much like this, I checked the battery life, guys. It was at around 90-something%. And after like 3 or 4 days of use, let's see where we are at. 75%. The battery life on this thing is incredible. Honestly, it's performing more like a Mi Band 4 than an Apple Watch. And I love my Apple Watch, but honestly, this thing does not last very long. It lasts maybe a day and a half at the most. So it's incredible to think we have this wearable Haylou Solar LS05 that is able to last so much longer. And here you can really see how that metallic edge does make a difference. It does feel premium. Now, it's not to the build quality, I'd say, of the Apple Watch. This is obviously at a much higher level of build quality, but I've still been very impressed with the stylings of this watch. And the strap is made of rubber. It's very comfortable, and as you can see, multiple ways to adjust the sizing of it here. There you see Haylou at the end, and this is a little metallic clasp as well, which just adds to the more premium feel. So quick rundown of the specs first. 54 grams with the strap, so it is a nice good weight to it. It's not a light device. I appreciate that heft on this type of smartwatch. It makes it feel more premium. Now, while the Xiaomi Mi Watch color does have AMOLED, this is LCD, and you will notice in a dark room that it is LCD, but on a device this small, it's a non-issue. I do make sure though that I have it on do not disturb mode at night so the display isn't turning on whenever I kind of flick my wrist. The display is 1.28 inches, and as you can see, it's a round dial here. No GPS on board this Haylou Solar, but we do have Bluetooth 5.0 enabled, and this is capable of working on an Android 4.4 or iOS 8 and above device. Now, the listed price is closer to $40 if you are trying to get this imported, and in China this was released at 150 RMB. The fact that you're able to get this type of a quality smartwatch for under 50 US dollars is incredible. But the key spec here, 340 milliampere battery, and this thing lasts up to 30 days on standby. 15 to 30 days if you're using it a lot more. And now let me show you guys how the interface works. So you just have the basic information here. You can also swipe left and right to see your steps, the heart rate, monitor information, your sleep. These are all kind of the quick shortcuts that you can get. But then you swipe from the top to get your kind of quick settings. You can go to settings right here to manage the brightness, to adjust that. Let's go down a little bit. And you can adjust the watch face too. There's a number of them available. They look pretty nice. I personally am going to stick with the one that it's shipped with. I think it's a great look. And when you swipe down, this is where you start getting all of those various features. So you have the stats, your beats per minute, as I showed you. This is going to give you those 12 different sport modes: rowing, football, basketball, indoor running, and climbing. This is great to see because hiking is probably one of the things I love to do the most right now, and it's great to see that they have a built-in climbing sport mode on this Haylou Solar. Then we have weather, sleep, notifications. You can get notifications and set that up to this watch. So you can set this up to control the music from your phone. And then more, we have stopwatch, countdown, find phone, and breathe training. Breathe training is kind of similar to the thing we see on Apple Watch, which is like the breathing app. And essentially you just take a break. It kind of guides you through basic breathing exercises for 1 minute or 2 minutes. So that's a really nifty feature if you're getting a little stressed out. And last but not least, this Haylou Solar is IP68 certified. Now, it is not to the level of the Apple Watch's waterproofing. And here's the thing, I'm so used to showering with my Apple Watch, I never take it off. Now, this Haylou Solar, while it is capable of being submerged, since it is only IP68, I would not recommend you go swimming in a pool with this thing, but it can handle various splashes. And if you happen to fall in a body of water with this on, I think it would probably still survive. And funny enough, every time I shower, guys, I shower with my Apple Watch on, but I had this Haylou Solar on my other wrist, and I completely forgot it was on my wrist until halfway through my shower, I realized, and I was so worried, did I ruin this smartwatch already? No, I didn't. It was completely fine. This is a durable and very well-made device. And here we see the heart monitoring and the back of this device, a nice clean metallic feel. And that's the nice thing about this Haylou Solar. It is metallic all the way through with this very small bezel around it and a nice large circular display. I've been wearing this one around town on my other wrist, and I've really enjoyed it. And last but not least, this is both iOS and Android compatible, and I've actually had it paired to my iPhone for this past couple days. It can work without fail on any Android phone, but it's so nice to see Haylou actually making it capable to work on iOS, something that Apple does not do the other way around. And here you can see the actual app itself. It's pretty straightforward, but it will allow you to do software updates, and I did get one software update this morning and access some more settings of this watch. So that's it, guys. All in all, this Haylou Solar is actually a very impressive smartwatch for the price. Whether it costs $39 or $49, or if you're able to get it for an even lower price point in that China pricing of around $20 US, it is an incredible offering here. So thanks so much, Haylou, for sending this over, and I'll be using this as a replacement for the Mi Band 4 for a good long while. But hit me up in the comments. What do you think of this Haylou Solar LS05? Are you interested in this type of wearable? Do let me know, because I'd love to review more of these awesome types of wearables on the channel. They're really cool devices, and they also don't break the bank the way a new smartphone does. So I'll be happy to do more of these types of wearable reviews if there's interest. But that's it for this one. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for future updates. Thanks once again, guys, for watching, and thank you again to Haylou for sending over this awesome Haylou Solar LS05. So that's it, and this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech, signing off. Have a good one.